Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable restricted mode on iPhone in iOS 27. So guys, if you want to turn off restrictions on your iPhone and iPad in iOS 27, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then scroll it below, and from here you have to simply go to screen time and then scroll it below, and here you can see content and privacy restrictions option. You have to simply tap on this, and from here you can see the restrictions toggle or content and privacy restrictions toggle. So guys, with this toggle you can easily turn off restrictions or disable restrictions on your iPhone in iOS 27. So guys, you can see this. You can simply turn off all these restrictions with this button. Simply tap on turn off and turn it off, and after this all the restrictions on your iPhone will be disabled on your iPhone in iOS 27. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.